1 byte. Are you understanding me, guys? Guys, simply remember one thing here. Simply, the range of byte is minus 128 to 127. As simple as it is. As simple as it is. For example, if I am taking 500, I'll be getting error. Why I'll be getting error? Why I'll be getting error? Because it exceeded the range. Out of range. Very simple. Out of range. As simple as it is. Okay. So likewise, what I want to say here is for int, we are having a range. Byte, we are having a range. Short, we are having a range. Long, float, double, char, boolean. Yeah, ranges are there. Now, can you please observe this? Byte. The range of byte is minus 128 to 127. Any number between minus 128 to 127, fine, no problem. If it is exceeding that range, we should be going to short. If the range of short is also exceeding, guys, instead of remembering like this, try to remember like this, like minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. Are you getting me, guys? If this range is also exceeding, we should be going to int. If int range is also exceeding, we should be going to long, like that. Like that. So for all the data types. So what about float, guys? Float will accept 5 to 6 decimal values. Someone asked me previously, sir, how many decimal values float will accept? 5 to 6 decimal values. Double will accept 14 to 15 decimal values. So likewise, I'll be trying to give this ranges in our Google Classroom. So kindly please note them down. Kindly please note them down now. Okay, guys, I'm having a question. So guys, please observe here. For example, byte B1 equal to 100. Okay. Byte B2 equal to 100. Now, byte B3 equal to B1 plus B2. Can you please help me? Why I'm getting error? What do you think? Please help me out here, guys. Why I'm getting error? Now, give me a reason. Okay. Everyone is saying that, sir, it is exceeding the range of byte. Why? Because byte range is minus 128 to 127. All right. I understand. How about now? Now it is in the range, but still I am getting error. Why I am getting error? We cannot add 2 bytes. No, Sushil, we can add, buddy. We can add. Now, guys, Kamlesh, that is great. Now, guys, kindly please answer me a question. Just answer me a question. Please observe string yes equal to 45. Tell me why I am getting error. Tell me why I'm getting error. Sir, this is 45 is what? 45 is what? It is an integer. We are trying to store an integer into string. How it is going to accept? No way, it will not accept, right? Okay, so guys, B1 plus B2. B1 is 10. Let me make B2 as 20. 10 plus 20. The result is 30. And this 30 is not byte. What? Exactly. 30 is not byte. This 30 is an integer. Guys, arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. Arithmetic operation generates the result in either int or long. So right now, B1 plus B2, what is the result? 30. What is the 30? 30 is an integer. So what compiler is understanding? You are storing an integer into byte. Nope. How can you do that? I will not accept. I will not accept. So in this particular scenario, what we need to do, we need to perform typecasting. What is the word? What is the word I have used just now? Type, T-Y-P-E, typecasting. What do you mean by typecasting? Typecasting means converting one data type into another data type. Converting one data type into another data type. So basically there are two types of typecastings are there, like implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. We will be discussing about those implicit and explicit typecasting in our coming classes. But as of now, what I want to do here is I want to resolve this error. Okay. Now, B1 plus B2. Guys, what is this B1 and B2? Like, what is the result? What would be the result? Tell me. The result is int. What I want to convert? I should be converting an int into byte. That's it. Done. Conversion happened. So right now, B3, if I'm trying to print system.out.println byte B3 value plus B3, I'll be able to get my output system.out.println. Just let me try to have small line like this and aobj dot method 2, and I'll be able to call my method. I'll be getting my output as like this. Byte B3 value is 30. That's it. Now, guys, I want to write a small point here, just a small point, that is in Java, every number is by default considered as int. By default considered as int by the compiler. By default. Okay. In Java, any number, of course, except floating point. Right. Now, let me try to, guys, FLOAT float, F equal to 10.9. Can you please tell me why I am getting error? Can you please tell me why I'm getting error? Right. Now, please observe here, guys. In Java, every decimal value is considered as double. In Java, every decimal value is by default considered as double by the compiler. So as of now, in line number 38, line number 38, if you are trying to write 10.9, what compiler is thinking, it is thinking that this is a double value. How can you store a double value? How can you store a double value into float? No, that is not possible. So, but what we are trying to do, our intention is that is not a double, there is a float value. So we need to inform to the compiler that it is not a double value, it is float value. That is the reason we should be writing f, either small f or capital F. Either small f or capital F. Anything is valid, guys. Literally, anything is valid. No problem. For example, if I'm trying to write system.out.println, simply, okay, f LOAT float f value plus f. Now, what is my expected output here? Of course, Shailesh, yes. What is my expected output here? Is my expected output 10.9 or 10.9f? 10.9f. What is my output? What is the default value, guys? What is the default value of float? The default value of float is 0.0. So we will be getting our output as 10.9, not f. Did you understand at that time why I have asked 0.0 or 0.0f? Did you got an idea, guys, now? That is great. That is great. Now, all right, guys. All right. Now, what I want to do here is, for example, what is the maximum range of int? What is the maximum range of int? The maximum range of int is 2147483647. Like this. 2147483647. This is the maximum range of int. If I'm trying to write 48, immediately I'll be getting an error. Am I right? Why? Because it is exceeding the range. So what I need to take? What I need to take? I need to take long. L-O-N-G, long. Now, guys, here again we are getting error. Again we are getting error. So here what we need to do? Again we are supposed to give a suffix, either small l or capital L. Anything is okay, no problem. Either small l or capital L. Sir, Java is case sensitive. So how small l and capital L are allowed? Guys, Java is case sensitive for keywords, method names, right? So typecasting, no problem here. No problem. You can write either small l or capital L, small f or capital F. These are not keywords, guys. We are informing to the compiler. So no issues. We'll be able to write it like this. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. All right, guys. All right. So guys, this is an idea about Java primitive data types. Do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. Can you please have this program for me? Please. Please have this program for me. Please go ahead. Flowchart, I'll be uploading the data in the Google Classroom. I'll be uploading the data in the Google Classroom. No problem. Please. Obviously, Alpesh, yes, it will be becoming